Hey, Don Copeland here again with the Compress UV IUV 600S. We're going to talk to you a little bit about printing on custom tiles. What we're doing today is kind of a Southwestern themed print on these clay type of tiles. We've done a little bit of testing already on adhesion. These have got a pretty rough surface, they're not coated, so we're actually going to print directly on them. If you look here at the bed, the first step we've done here is we've actually printed out some squares that represent the tiles so that we know where to position our tiles, right? This is really key. If you don't have a jig for your printer on a certain item, you simply print on this bed. This bed is a material that'll actually clean up pretty quickly, but it gives us a nice target to be able to print on the tiles. I want to load up the tiles. Here in a minute, we're going to print some of these files for you. Okay, I've got my 4 tiles loaded up here. As you'll see on the screen, we've actually set up a design in our Compress designer software that has 2 layers to it. As you look at the screen, you'll see there's the black squares that we printed out on the bed, and then there's the artwork, which is the Southwestern design, which has a custom underbase of white that's choked back just a hair, so we can print the actual design right here on the tile, and we know with perfect alignment because we're actually going to send the same data over that we did from the square. So I'm going to go ahead and load this up. We're going to send the design over and watch it print. Okay, as you can see on the screen right now, we're showing you the display of the software, and we've processed this file, and you can see it costs $1.36. That's for all 4 of these tiles. When you do the math on that, that's 39 cents a piece. That's a white underbase and the color layer. We're going to go ahead and send the file over here now and let it start printing. What we have going on right now is we're actually laying down the white underbase. I'm going to come back and print our color layer on top of this. You can just see the tile starting to emerge. You can see our white underbase appearing. This is our foundation for our colors to go down on. And because of the way we set this up in the software, pretty high confidence that these tiles are pretty dadgum close to being the same. So you could set this up on a kitchen backsplash, or if you have a bathroom that's got a Southwestern theme, you could line these up either straight up as we're showing them here. More than likely, I think most people would rotate these 90 degrees, so they're setting with the point down, point up. There we go. White layer's finished. Getting ready to print the color layer. If you've done any research on these type of printers, you may have noticed one thing that we're doing here that most of the competition doesn't do. We actually are printing bidirectionally. And in a lot of cases, that means we double our speed because we're actually printing both going to the left and going to the right. That's why we were able to get through that so quickly. Color layer is going down right now, and I'm looking through the glass. It looks pretty good. Wow. Look at those coming out full color. Right there on the clay tiles, these look great. I know that the inks are 39 cents, and that's pretty amazing. You can customize tiles. You could take this tile, and if somebody wanted a change it, you could literally go into the graphic file, just change colors, which is pretty cool, and print them out and mix them up. Alrighty, man, they're done. And you know, I don't get a whole lot excited about this stuff because we do it all the time, but wow, just look at that. It's pretty cool because I actually just came back from Arizona, getting to see some friends, and a lot of Southwestern stuff out there. This stuff would go crazy. I mean, look at this. No adhesion promoter, straight onto these clay tiles. This stuff is just amazingly stuck. If you were to go to someone who does custom tiles and ask them to do these things, be off the chart what you would pay for them. You can customize these. You can change colors. You can put initials in this for somebody wanted, whatever you wanted to do. You take a cool design, play around with it a little bit, and really, really raise the bar on what you can offer to your customers. Again, 39 cents a piece, no adhesion promoter, right here on the Compress IUV 600S.